Hello everyone, my name is Hansel and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get to this design in a few steps. The first being finding a free background on Canva. You'll find a lot of backgrounds that you like and that you can get started with. Here I'm just adjusting the size to fit it to my design template size. After that I'll go and adjust it. I'll tweak a little brightness, I'll add a little contrast, see where the highlights and shadows fit best, add a little darkness and a little whites to the image, increase the vibrance, and I did not really saturate or sharpen it here because I did not like the effect that it was giving. The second step would be adding some text to this image. So you could add the supporting text first, like what I've done in this case. I wanted to add a text that says marketing, music, and more. So I added that and then I adjusted the size. I'll also change the font. I'm thinking of doing something very bold. So with this, you can go to the third step, that is adding the designs. So you can add some graphics to support this text. Like here, I've added a building that is very cyberpunkish, and I think that helps my vibe. I'll add more design elements to reaffirm things. Like this arrow looks really cool. Like if I get to point it towards the marketing, so it'll grasp my viewer's attention. I got lucky with this magic recommendation. It looks really cool, and I'm trying to bring the layer behind. So I use keyboard shortcuts. So I stretched it and let it be like that. After this, I wanted to add some design element that would support my main title. That brings us to step 4, adding background graphics for title. So in this, you can see it's a very translucentish box that I found. After I added that, I realized that the marketing, music, and more was getting covered. So I wanted to emphasize that, and I found like a ramp that would also work as a background for the marketing, music, and more. But I spent more time than I would like to admit on adjusting just the colors of it to get it to a point where I felt like it was blending all together. And after a point, I realized I shouldn't be spending so much time on it. So I went with what was feeling right. After spending a lot of time messing with duotone, I got a decent fit. Then I readjusted the text, removed the arrow because I felt like it was not necessary anymore. And that brings us to the last step. That is adding the title. I added my name, as that is going to be the Twitch header for this. You can also use the same template for YouTube. I wanted a very cyberpunkish text. So when I stumbled on this, I was like, yes, this looks something like it's infected or like been corrupted in some way. And I like the look of that. So once this was done, I thought, what if I animate it and maybe I could use that as a design in my YouTube videos as well. So that is what you're seeing me do here. And yeah, by the end of it, you'll have a design, and if you're using Canva, you'll also have a design that moves, and you can use it in video format as well. Although it was a speed run, you can slow it down and check it again to follow step by step. If you did like this video though, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that I can keep creating more content like this, and see you in the next video.